How to create a schedule on Zoom app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a schedule easy and fast on the Zoom app. So first thing, go to Zoom. This is the home page as you can see, and right here you will find the schedule option. Click on it like this, and now you choose the name, for example Jacob meeting, and choose the date that you want. Okay, let's choose this one from 2 a.m. to 2:30 a.m. Choose the time zone and repeat. If you want never, choose never or every day, and then go down and choose those options too. Require meeting passcode if there is a passcode, and this is the passcode right here. Then you can enable waiting room or disable it from here, and after you finish, click done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.